Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I can present my paper about corporate governance structure on financial distress, a study on the coal mining company. The first about introduction. The coal production in your research practice to be low, and this possible due to the number of challenges faced by the coal industry, range from fluctuation price to the obligation to supply domestic need or to domestic market. And then the purpose research of this research is to analyze the effect of corporate governance mechanisms on financial distress, which can be seen from the measurement of board of directors, board of commissaries, independent ownership structure, and the managerial ownership structure. In this paper, with a method first analyze the data analyze instrument used in the research was descriptive analysis and multiple linear regression analysis, and then population and sample consists of all coal mining companies list on the Indonesian Stock Exchange or PE, and then this sample characteristics in the first coal mining sector mining companies list on the Indonesia Stock Exchange, and then that's consistent report from financial report on the Indonesian Stock Exchange atau IDX in this year's research. This is the research. First, based on the research of the independent commissaries in statistic test, in your research, there's the hypothesis which states that independent commissaries have effect on financial distress, and the hypothesis which states that the board of directors has an effect on financial distress in Aceh. The beta coefficient value was positive, which means that the board of direction has a positive effect on financial distress. And then based on the result of the statistics test of institutional ownership, the hypothesis which states that institutional ownership has an effect on the financial distress was rejected. And then based on the result of the managerial ownership statistic test, the hypothesis which states that has an effect on the financial distress was accepted. And then in the discussion, the company had include in 45% consent of 7 company from a total sample of 60 company. The essence of a board on commissarial has an effect on financial distress because the company only make an independent board of commissariats or formally that must be fulfilled as a security company. This caused the independent board of commissioner to be unable to carry out its supervisor function and provide advice on the board of direction. The board of director has a positive effect on financial distress. The large number of board can affect the financial condition because every decision that the company carry out from the decision of the board. The number of board of director in the company can indicate collusion in the company. And then the the institutional ownership, then the financial condition of the company is getting worse because the company institutional lacks the ability to control the performance of manager. And then the result of the study support against this problem and against the theory, which states that managerial ownership is able to reduce against the problem that arise in the company, which if the occur continuous can cause financial distress to the company. This is the conclusion from my paper. The number of companies that are in an unhealthy condition has the large number due to low sales and high operation costs. And then the size of the board of commissaries and institutional ownership has no effect to conditional financial distress. And then managerial ownership has a negative and significant effect on conditional financial distress. Okay, thank you from presentation about my paper. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.